Hello guys, how to fix Windows Update error code KB5041587 on Windows 11. If you are trying to install Windows Update and fail to install, then here are the fixes. The first workaround is go to Windows search and type disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup app in your system. Select the drive you want to clean up. Choose your drive where your system files are kept. Click on OK, and here files to delete, make the check against option, various type of recycle bin, temporary files, temporary downloaded files, thumbnails, etc. Make the check against this option and choose OK. A pop-up window will appear. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on OK. The disk cleanup utility is cleaning up your unnecessary files and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Run Windows Update troubleshoot. Go to Windows settings by pressing Win+I shortcut key. Here go to System from the left side, and from the right side look for troubleshoot option. Click on it. Here choose other troubleshooters and run Windows Update troubleshoot. Click on Run button and let the window complete the troubleshooting process. It will not only detect the issue, fix them accordingly. Follow on-screen instruction to complete the Windows Update troubleshooting process. After that, check whether your Windows Update failed to install error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Restart or start some Windows Update services. Right click on Start button and choose Run. It will open Run dialog box. You may press Win+R shortcut key and here look for services.msc to open services windows in your system. Services windows will now open. Here look for background intelligent transfer service. Simply select it, right click on it and choose a start. If you already found it in a start mode, then restart it. After that, apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Set as automatic and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. Next services is cryptographic services. Look for cryptographic services. Same procedure, right click on it and choose start first, and if you found already a start, then restart it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties windows and set a startup type as automatic. Apply and OK to save the changes. And the next one is Windows Update services. Look for Windows Update services. Right click on it, choose first a start, otherwise restart it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. And in command prompt windows, execute dism tool. This 3 dism tool execute one by one: dism online scanhealth, dism online checkhealth, and dism online restorehealth. Execute all these 3 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. And after that, execute the command sfc scan now. sfc space / scan now and press enter. Windows will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your Windows Update failed to install error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Execute some Windows Update components in your system. Again, launch command prompt windows, run as administrator mode and execute Windows Update components as shown on a screen. First, stop these 4 services. Execute these 4 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. First, stop these 4 services, and after that, execute these 2 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there, and thereafter start all those 4 services you have earlier stopped them. Execute these 4 commands one by one again to start all services you have stopped them in command prompt windows, followed by enter key on each time. Thereafter restart your system, and if your error is still, then manually install Windows Update. Go to your Chrome browser and here look for Microsoft Update Catalog. Open first appeared result, Microsoft Update Catalog, and here in the search field type your Windows Update, KV Update, and click on search. All the related update will available here. Simply click on download button and manually download and install Windows Update to your system. That's all.